Economics is the study of how society manages its scarce resources. The 10 principles of economics are introduced here to give you an overview of what economics is all about.
You may have heard of the news that China is a competitor against the US in the world economy. In some ways, this is true because Chinese and American firms produce many of the same goods. They compete for the same customers in the markets for clothing, toys, solar panels, automobile tires and many other items. But there is something that should not be misunderstood when it comes to the competition between nations. Trade relations is not like a sports contest in which one side wins and the other side loses. In fact, the opposite is true. Trade between two countries can make each country better off. To see why, consider how trade affects your family. When a member of your family looks for a job, he competes against members of other families who are looking for jobs. Each household competes with one another when it purchases products too. In a sense, each family in an economy competes with all other families. Despite this competition, your family would not be better off isolating itself from all other families. If it did, your family would need to grow its own food, make its own clothes and build its own home. Clearly, your family gains much from its ability to trade with others. Trade allows each person to specialize in the activities she does best, whether it is farming, sewing, or home building. By trading with others, people can buy a greater variety of goods and services at a lower cost. Like families, countries also benefit from the ability to trade with one another. Trade allows countries to specialize in what they do best and to enjoy a greater variety of goods and services. The Chinese, as well as the French, Egyptians, and Brazilians, are as much partners in the world economy as they are competitors.
Bestseller of Economics. Principles of Economics Graphic Edition.